What if I told you that you can have a full conversation with an AI during your Zoom call? Also, you can ask it to search the entire internet, get real-time answers, and never miss a beat in your meetings. Well, that's exactly what has happened with this new partnership between Fireflies and Perplexity. Hi guys, I'm Amrit Raj and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are diving deep into something that could completely change how you handle your meetings. Now guys, we have all been there. You are in an important meeting and someone mentions a competitor's latest product launch or asks you about market data, and you're stuck between looking engaged and frantically Googling on your phone under the table. Well, those days might be over now. Fireflies has partnered with Perplexity to bring real-time web intelligence directly into your meetings. It is like having an AI teammate that not only takes notes but can answer any question with live web search right in your meeting. Now, if you have not used Fireflies, let's talk about it first. They are basically the gold standard for AI meeting assistants. What makes Firefly special is that it's not just transcription, guys. It joins your meeting across Zoom, Google, Meets, Teams, whatever you are using, and it is constantly learning from your conversation. It can summarize key points, track action items, and even analyze your speaking patterns. But here's where it gets interesting. Until now, Fireflies was essentially a passive observer. It would listen, take notes, and give you insights after the meeting. But what if it could actively participate? What if you could actually have a conversation with it during the meeting? This is where the Fireflies' new partnership with Perplexity comes in. Now, if you have been following AI tools, you know Perplexity has been making waves as the answer engine that is giving Google a run for its money. Instead of just showing you a list of links, Perplexity actually reads through multiple resources and gives you a comprehensive answer with citations. Now, Fireflies along with Perplexity have announced a new feature called as Talk to Fireflies, your new AI teammate that transforms how you handle meetings.
Hey Fireflies, can you help summarize today's meeting and list all the action items?
Today's meeting covered onboarding email performance and timing, homepage CTA testing and unification, blog strategy focused on async workflows.
It is basically your AI teammate that lives inside your meetings. You can literally say, "Hey Fireflies," and ask it anything. And I mean anything, guys. For example, you want to know what the client said 20 minutes ago, you can ask Fireflies.
Hey Fireflies? Sam mentioned something about the MCP server. What is exactly rolling out?
Fireflies is rolling out its server in the next few weeks. This update will allow users to use the MCP server with clients like Claude, enabling you to ask complex questions and integrate data from other MCP-connected tools within your organization.
Need the latest market data on a competitor? Fireflies will search Perplexity and give you a real-time information. In case you want a quick summary of the discussion so far, it can also give you that.
Hey Fireflies, can you catch me up on what I've missed so far?
So far, the team discussed a drop in onboarding email performance and decided to test sending times. They reviewed CTA testing on the homepage.
And the best part is, guys, it is all happening during the meeting. You're not switching tabs, you're not pulling out your phone, you're not disturbing the flow. It is like having a super-powered research assistant sitting right next to you. Now, if you want to know how it works, 3 things make it work. Number 1, voice activation. You say, "Hey Fireflies," and it knows that you are talking to it and not the other meeting participants. Number 2, real-time processing. When you ask a question about the meeting, Firefly instantly searches through everything that has been said. But when you ask about any external information, it pings Perplexity to search the web and get the current data. Number 3, platform integration. This works across Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams with no downloads or extensions required. Now let us have a look at some real-world use cases. You can use this during your sales call. Let us say your prospect mentions a competitor. You can instantly get their latest funding round, product updates, pricing, all without missing a beat in the conversation. Next, you can also use this during strategy meetings. In case someone throws out a market statistics, you can fact check it immediately. In case you need to understand a new regulation that just passed, Fireflies can pull the latest information while you are still discussing the strategy. And also, client consultations become so much smoother. Instead of saying, "I'll get back to you on that," you can get the answer in real time. It makes you look incredibly prepared and knowledgeable. After all this, let us have a look at some competitors. Otter.ai has similar transcription capabilities, but no real-time web search. you're stuck with the information in the meeting only. And they also can't participate in real time or access current web information during the call. Now let us talk about getting access. This is currently rolling out to Fireflies Pro and business customers. The basic Talk to Fireflies feature is included, but the Perplexity integration is part of their premium tier. You are looking at about $18 per user per month for a Pro plan, which includes AI teammate features. There is also a free trial, and I actually recommend testing it with your team before committing. The real value which you will be able to derive depends on your meeting patterns and informations needed. So guys, what do you think? Are you ready to have an AI teammate in your meetings, or does this feel like too much? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.